Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jeff, and if this is your first time on the channel, don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Give this video a like, and without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So I'm on my phone right now, and I can see what's trending in the UK. So this is every single thing that's trending right now, and to change this, you can either do it from the home tab. So you head back to the home tab and click on the top right hand and go to the settings there, or you click on settings at the explore page and tap on the other feature of changing location, and then you change it to any single one of your choice. It's literally the second one as soon as you click on the settings at the top right hand corner of the screen of any phone or device you may be using, as long as it's Twitter. So you click on explore locations and you can change to any random one. So refreshing the page, boom, now it's changed, it's completely changed, and I'm seeing the trend for an entirely different country and an entirely different state. So you can do this for as much states or country as possible, and you can literally see what is trending in the entire world. And that's exactly how you do it. So don't forget to head over to my Twitter, link in the description, and follow me over there. So I'm currently on my Twitter page. Just head over to the settings on the top right side on PC, and then click literally the same thing on a phone and type in any location of your choice. I'm going with the United States, and as you have seen on the left and right hand side of the screen, instantly every single thing that was happening in my country had changed. So you can do this from the home page, or you can either go to the explore page, explore tab, and now right now every single thing that's trending is from the US, and click on the settings at the top right hand beside the search Twitter. Do the same thing, literally the same process. Type in any country and state of your choice and see whatever is trending all over the world. So I'm going to go with the United Kingdom, and instantly my search has my trending has all changed. You see, every single thing has changed, and yeah, that's exactly how you do it. Very easy, and it's not really that much big of a deal. And now I'm going to change back. So yeah, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and if you haven't done that already, go follow me on Twitter, and I'll see you guys right here in the next video. Take care.